Racing drones, also called FPV drones or racer drones, are used in amateur and professional drone races. Flying these drones, fast and highly maneuverable, require a lot of skill. There are hundreds of models available, and it is not always easy to find the best FPV racing drone in this fast-moving market. After our extensive research and in-depth reviews, we have put together our selection of the best racing drones in this video, and included some tips and knowledge for better understanding racing drones. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Walkera F210 Professional Racer has a unique 700 TVL night vision camera that allows you to practice at night, and it has a wide 120-degree viewing range. It comes with a reliable Devo 7 transmitter. It is admittedly one of the strangest, bulkiest-looking racing drones to buy, even though it is a 210 class. But don't let its appearance fool you, as this thing can buzz around with the best of them. The Walkera F210 features a truly innovative design that is incredibly fast and one of the best plug-and-play solutions on the market right now. It is driven by 4 powerful 2500 kV brushless motors that push it to the limits, giving it incredible speed and zip. When you apply some pitch, it is incredibly fast. This drone is a perfect entry-level professional racer, and like the Blade Mach 25, it also has a carbon fiber frame that is super strong. That ridiculous-looking mushroom antenna in the back may be an eyesore, but it was placed there to provide superior transmission capabilities, making it less likely that you will lose contact with your drone in the middle of a race, because that is no fun for anyone. Built with rugged flight toughness in mind, the iFlight Titan XL5 HD 6S racing drone will take a beating and still come back for more. The weight distribution on this drone is nicely balanced, but it is certainly not lightweight. The Xing 2208 motors run smoothly with a grounded feel to the flight characteristics. The DJI first-person view system allows for some great sightseeing that is easy and open. The quadcopter build with its X geometry is clean, allowing for higher performance. The twin bug-like antenna look pretty cool as well. The camera angle is adjustable too, which gives you the flexibility to shoot at different angles. With a little bit of creativity, paired with your craftsman skills, you can change the camera to a higher quality model as well. But of course, you have to ensure that you will be replacing it with a camera that fits the front of the drone. If you are a first-time drone flyer, you may want to do some research on how complicated it is to set up this drone. Reports of wonky firmware applications before a flight are commonplace with this racing drone. Also, GPS lock before a flight can be cumbersome at first, but once that is taken care of, operation shouldn't be an issue. Emax markets the Hawk Pro Racing Drone Quad as appropriate for beginners, but be careful. This thing can zip. Emax first introduced a drone called the Hawk 5 that established a good baseline that facilitated a solid racing experience. With the Hawk Pro, they have raised that baseline. This racing drone utilizes a lighter canopy, a more aerodynamic profile that allows faster speeds, and an improved power-to-weight ratio. Along with those amenities, the Hawk Pro retains rigidity and durability to handle any flight situation. The slim design of the Hawk Pro also provides a mounting system that allows for a customized flight experience. The FPV transmission system and camera have been upgraded from the Hawk 5, so pilots will be able to fly with more ease, navigating terrain with a clear view. The power system consists of mini Magnum 3 power stacks paired with a Pulsar brushless motor system and Devon Scimitar propellers. Arguably the most popular ready-to-fly FPV drone kit on the market today, the Walkera F210 3D Edition is built within an ultra-durable and crash-resistant modular carbon fiber frame. The FPV racing drone offers precise flight maneuvers such as flips, rolls, and race course moves. It has a superb flight control system to ensure a stable flight experience, and the drone can come to a quick stop whenever you want. Therefore, the Walkera F210 3D drone is an RTF ready-to-fly drone, which means you just need to take it out of the kit and start piloting it. But in addition, you also get an option to customize the drone as per your own needs. Coming to the camera specs, the drone is equipped with a 700 TVL HD camera with 5.8G real-time image transmission for live FPV streaming. Overall, this one is a solid FPV racing drone kit for serious racing pilots. Its modest price makes this drone a super attractive option. The Ares X220 V2 220mm is an open design FPV drone, which means you can see everything inside of it. Although this isn't something new, this feature is what makes this drone really interesting. Ares X220 V2 is made out of a carbon glass fiber composite sheet frame. This makes the drone relatively durable. This also protects the drone from any serious damage in case it crashes. On top of the drone is a strap where you can place the battery. At the bottom of it are a few foamy parts, which function as a protective layer when the drone is landing. The blades of the RSX220 V2 are arranged differently. Unlike other drones, the ends of the blades are sticking out, improving their speed. They are very sharp as well, so make sure that you don't touch the propeller while the motor is on. As for the camera, the RSX220 V2 comes with a Runcam Swift 2 FPV camera, which is actually a good one. It is very lightweight at 14 grams only. The camera offers a 130-degree angle field of view, which gives you a wide perspective of what is around you. You also have the option to use the FPV goggles for better and clearer images. Setting up the drone isn't actually hard, as long as you carefully follow the instructions that come with it. Keep in mind that you will have to install the battery and the chip for the receiver yourself. The drone has 3 flight modes, including GPS mode, altitude mode, and manual mode. It even has a cooling system, which prevents the drone from overheating. Finally, the drone's null design assures that the prop installation is stable. The Walkera Furious 215 is a highly popular racing drone mainly because of its excellent features and specifications. To start off, the Walkera Furious 215 has a highly capable F3 flight controller. This flight controller is responsible for essential flight data and processing, including signal transmission, motors, and sensors. The flight controller also gives the drone better flying capacity. On top of all, the F3 flight controller gives you the option to configure your drone at a code level. With it, you can also set the custom parameters exactly the way you want them. Furthermore, the Walkera Furious 215 also comes with 2500 kV high-performance brushless motors. This is a more efficient motor as it minimizes friction, which lessens the generated heat, delivers better power, and a longer service lifespan. The Walkera Furious 215 doesn't use physical wires to bridge electrical connections. Instead, it makes use of an integrated power distribution board, which keeps the drone clutter-free and streamlined. Moreover, its electronic speed controllers, ESCs, shorten the electrical connections while keeping the power and signal supply continuous. The drone has an onboard active beeper, which diagnoses the drone and gives an alert in case there is a problem. It also comes with an integrated on-screen display, OSD. This allows you to fine-tune the drone. As for the battery, the Walkera Furious 215 comes with a 1300 mAh 4S LiPo battery, giving the drone a maximum of 9 minutes flight time. It also provides a higher voltage output compared to the standard 3S battery. With such a battery, this drone is capable of reaching incredibly fast speeds with ease. If you are not content with the battery, you always have the option to purchase additional batteries. The drone can hold up to 13cm batteries without degrading its performance. The Walkera Furious 215 comes with a 600 TVL HD camera, which can take approximately 768 by 494 pixels in digital. You can adjust the camera up to 50 degrees of the angle to get the photo or video you want. Other features of the camera include a Devo 7 remote and standard quadcopter design. So guys, if you are in the market for a drone, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to finding your ideal device. Let us know your favorites in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.